Madeira, an enchanting island in the North Atlantic. Let me show you where you need to go.
Pensaba que contigo iba a envejecer, en otra vida, en otro mundo por hacer. Mientras solo queda irme un día y solamente verte en el atardecer. Si me van sola y triste no me hablan. Si me van sola y triste soy culpable. La vida es una fiesta que un día termina y fuiste tú mi baile inolvidable.
So it begins. Madeira Part 2. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. You know how we do it. Gang gang. I love it. Nice. Yeah, boy! This is easily the best Airbnb I've ever stayed in. Like, everything's so new and nice. Feel this door, dude. So we'll start with the view. The view is incredible. I love it. I could just sit here and look at this all day and listen to the motorbikes going vroom vroom up and down all day. Craftsmanship impeccable. And then you take it, just look at this, look at the light coming through. It's perfect. Fully stocked, everything's there. You've got all the knives for your needs. You got dishwasher pods, washing machine pods, you know. We've got some wine going here, pastel de nata. Look at these lights. Hello. I love it. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. I tried to be normal once. Worst 2 minutes of my life. Oh, wait. Anyway, hello. Mate, I love it. I want to live here. I want this to be my house. Whew. I can tell you that. Dita is gonna love this. Bliss. Atlantic view too. Beautiful piece of art. What an experience.
Oh my gosh, I get claustrophobic.
Claustrophobic? You mean scared of the edge?
Yes. Where is it?
Let's try it with the view.